Yes, today's topic is types of farming. The basis of main sources of moisture for crops. The farming can be classified as irrigated or rain-fed or barani. Dryland farming. The dryland farming is largely confined to the regions having annual rainfall less than 75 centimeters, and these regions grow hardy and drought-resistant crops such as ragi, bajra, moong, gram, guar, or guar, also known as fodder crops, and practices various measures of the soil moisture conservation and rainwater harvesting. Second one is wetland farming. In this type of farming, the rainfall is in excess of the soil moisture requirement. Uh, sorry, in this type of farming, the rainfall is in excess of soil moisture requirement of plant during rainy season. Such regions may face flood and soil erosion hazards. These areas grow various water-intensive crops like rice, jute, sugarcane, and practice aquaculture in the freshwater bodies. The importance of the food grain in Indian agriculture economy may be guarded from the fact, fact that these crops occupy about two-thirds of the total crop area of the country. Food grains are dominant crop in all parts of the country, whether they have been subsistence or commercial agricultural economy. The importance of the food grains in Indian agriculture economy may be next is cereal crops. Cereal crops occupy 54% of the total cropped area. The country produces about 11% cereals of the world and ranked third in production after China and USA. India produces a variety of cereals which are classified as fine grains like rice and wheat and coarse grains like jowar, bajra, maize, ragi. Rice. Rice is staple food or main food for the overwhelming majority of the population in India. It is considered to be the crop of tropical humid areas. It has about 3,000 varieties which are grown in different agroclimatic regions. These are the successfully grown from the sea level to about 2000-meter altitude and from humid area in eastern India to dry but irrigated area of Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. In West Bengal, farmers grow three crops of rice. They are called As, Aman and Boro. And this three crops of rice can also be uh, grown in Assam. See the field of the rice. Next, come to the wheat production scenario. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop in India after rice. India produces about 12% of the total wheat production of the world. It is primarily a crop of the temperate zone. Indo-Gangetic Plain, Malwa Plateau, Himalaya up to 2700-meter altitude or high. This crop is being a rabi crop. It is mostly grown under the irrigated conditions. The area where wheat produced mostly is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. These are the leading wheat producing states. See the field of the wheat. Next come to the jowar. Jowar or sorghum alone accounts about 5.3% of the total crop area. It is the main food crop in semi-arid areas of the center and southern India. Maharashtra alone produces more than half of the total jowar production of the country. So the Maharashtra is the leading jowar producing state. Other leading producer states are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. See the field of jowar. Next come to bajra. Bajra is sown in hot and dry climatic conditions in northwestern and western part of the country. It is a hardy crop which resists frequent dry spells and drought in this region. It is cultivated alone as well as part of mixed cropping. This coarse cereal occupy about 5.2% of the total cropped area in the country. Leading producers of the bajra are the state of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana. See the field of bajra. Next crop is maize. It is a food as well as fodder crop. Means various people utilize the product of maize as a food, and the plant body is used by animals as a fodder. It maize grown in semi-arid climatic conditions and over inferior soil. The crop occupy only 3.6% of the total cropped area. Maize cultivation is not concentrated in any specific area, means throughout the country it is produced. It is shown all over the India except eastern and northeastern region. The main producer of the maize are the state of Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. See the field. Next come to pulses. Pulses are very important ingredient of the vegetarian food as these are very rich source of protein. These are the legume crop which increase the natural fertility of the soil through the nitrogen fixation. India is the leading producer of pulses and account for about one-fifth of the total production of pulses in the world. The cultivation of the pulses in the country is largely concentrated in the dry land of the Deccan and Central Plateau areas and also northwestern part of the country. Next, oil seeds means those seeds through which we can get oil, edible oil. The oil seeds are produced for extracting edible oils. Dry land of Malwa Plateau, Marathwada, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Telangana, and Royal Sima region of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka Plateau are the main oilseed growing regions of the country. These crops together occupy 14% of the total cropped area in the country. Main oilseeds crops are groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, soybean, sunflowers. Groundnut. India's produce about 18.8% of the total groundnut production in the world. It is largely a rain-fed kharif crop of the dryland, but in the southern India it is also cultivated during Rabi season as well. It covers about 3.6% of the total cropped area of the country. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra are the leading producing state of groundnut. देख लीजिए ये आप लोग बहुत चाव से खाते हैं जाड़े के दिनों में. Rapeseed and mustard oil. Rapeseed and mustard comprises several oilseeds like rai, sarso, toria, and tarmira. These are the subtropical crops cultivated during the Rabi season in the northwestern and central part of the India. These oilseeds together occupy only 2.5% of the total crop area. Rajasthan contributes about 33%, while other leading producing states are Uttar Pradesh. Yield of this crop are comparatively high in Haryana and Rajasthan. This is sarso field or mustard seed. Next, come to fiber crop, but we can discuss it in next day class. Okay, thank you.